if we want to talk about the importance of measurement, we are measuring in order to prevent overdose and underdose. That is why when you get into the petrol filling station, you wanted to buy 500 Ghana cedis worth of petrol. You don't just give the money to the attendant and take your mind off. You would like to see on the dispenser the amount of liter that will be equivalent to your amount, right? Good, because you are trying to prevent yourself being cheated. That is measurement. You want to have accurate measurement, prevent overdose and underdose. That can also be likened to the medicines we take in the hospital. Why they give us medicine and you are giving some cap to fetch it. The cap have some calibration. Those calibrations are there for a purpose. So let's see. You want to find how liquid medicine dosage is applied in the hospital. How and why did they give us that kind of label, prescription? Take this and that for morning, afternoon, and what? Evening. So let's say a child will need 150 milligram. That is the mass, how heavy the medicine is, of a liquid medication. This is what the child needs. After the vitals have been taken, the temperature is considered, the age, the weight, everything is considered. This is what the child needs. Alright. Now, the medication is available as 50 milligram per 500 milliliters ml. 50 milligram. You remember when they give you a liquid, how do you call it, medicine? Let's take in consideration we have what? Milk of magnesia. When it's given to you, you see it being precipitated. The top is colorless as water. The down is having what? The solute. When you shake it, it now mixes up to become the mixture you're looking for. Now, we want to know that that bottle you are holding is in the measurement of what? 500 milliliter. So, this is the bottle. Now, in this bottle that are having the solute that is being added into it, it is having the mass of what? 50 milligram. So let's say we take para, we grind the para and pour into water. The amount of para being poured into the water is 50. And it is the bottle of what? 500 milliliter bottle. That's the meaning. But you needed 150 milligram of such medicine. So you want to know how many milliliters should be administered to you. How many milliliters that you need, because this is what you need, but it is in a suspension, it is in the form of a solution, right? So we needed to know what amount of liter that you are supposed to be giving, so that you will be taking exactly the 150 milligram. Milligram. We can apply ratio and proportion concept here. So let's see. Let's begin with this. 50 milligram per mean division. So 50 milligram per 500 what? ml. That's the first ratio. 50 milligram to 500 what? 5 milliliters. That should be equals to the next one. I am having this available. That is what I need, right? 150 milligram per what liter am I looking for? Let's represent this by a variable. Remember, we like x and y. So this y here is representing the milliliters that I need to be administered. That need to be what? Administered to me. If this is available and this is what I have, this becomes a proportion. So we can cross multiply. Whereby y will multiply this will give you 50 y milligram. So now how about 5 milligram milliliters also multiply this? 5 times 15, that will be 75 times 10, 750 milliliters times milligram. We are looking for y. So we divide by the 50 and the milligram. So y equals to 750 ml times mg divided by 50, what is that? mg, right? We are picking the y using the 50 and the milligram. So in this case, milligram will cancel milligram, 10 will cancel this, and 5 will go here 1, 5 will go here what? 15. I guess 15 times this will give you 15 ml, meaning you are going to be giving 15 milliliters of that medication, whatever concentration that will be. This is what you'll be giving. If this is what you needed, but it's supposed to be in a suspension form. It is being grounded and poured into a solution. So this is what is being applied by the chemists and the doctors in order to sustain your health when you get to the hospital. So from today, don't despise the calculations of mathematics. Don't just say, how can these calculations you have been doing, find x, find pi, help you in your economy or in your dealings? The fact that you are not making use of this calculation doesn't mean that somebody else is not making use of it. You get the point? Like, share, comment, and subscribe.